Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to cancel recurring payments on your debit card in 2025. If you've ever signed up for a subscription service or automatic billing and regretted it later, this guide is for you. Recurring payments can sneak up on your bank account, eating into your budget without you realizing it. But don't worry, I'll walk you through the steps to take control and stop them for good. First things first, start by reviewing your bank statements. Log into your online banking portal or app. Most banks have made this super easy by 2025. Look for any unfamiliar or unwanted charges that pop up regularly. This will help you identify exactly which payments need to be canceled. Once you've spotted them, note down the merchant's name and the amount involved. Next, contact the merchant directly. Many companies allow you to cancel subscriptions through their website or customer service line. Head to their site, log into your account if needed, and look for a subscriptions or billing section. If you're on the phone, be polite but firm. Explain that you want to cancel immediately. Remember, under consumer protection laws in 2025, you have the right to cancel without hassle, so don't let them pressure you into keeping it. If that doesn't work or the merchant is unresponsive, it's time to involve your bank. Call your bank's customer service or visit a branch. Provide them with the details of the recurring payment, and they'll guide you on how to block it. Many banks now have advanced tools, like setting up payment blocks or using AI assistants to handle this automatically. Just make sure to confirm everything in writing or via email to avoid any disputes later. A few quick tips to keep in mind. Always keep records of your cancellation requests, as this can protect you if issues arise. Be aware that some cancellations might take a billing cycle to process, so monitor your account closely. And if you're dealing with a debit card linked to multiple services, consider switching to a new card for a fresh start. There you have it. Canceling recurring payments doesn't have to be a nightmare. By following these steps, you'll save money and regain control of your finances. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.